Guys, for years there's been an app called Device Manager on Windows laptops or your PCs. So how it works and what is its function, I'll tell you in this video. So how do you find Device Manager? So you can just press the start button or you can just go to start right here. You can type in Device Manager and you can open it from here as well. Alternatively, you can just go to settings, press enter. Again, you can just type in Device Manager right here and it will still take you to the same setting. Other than that, we also can go through control panel. We can still again type in device manager. You can see under devices and printers, there's device manager. So let's click on that. Obviously, it says you're logged on as a standard user. So I am currently logged on as a standard user, but you need an administrator uh, account to make changes. So let's just press OK for now. Also, if you're on an administrator account, obviously this pop-up will not happen for you. So you can see right here, we are in device manager. So what is device manager? On top, it is showing me the kind of laptop I am using right now. So because I am on laptop, so if you're on a PC, it will tell you the name of the PC. Other than that, you have all the audio input devices, battery, Bluetooth camera, computer, disk drive, firmware, and whatnot. So what you can do in this is you can update drivers, you can uninstall drivers, you can disable say audio inputs and outputs. So it is very powerful in some way. So if your laptop is glitching or your PC is glitching, this could be very helpful. So for example, let's go to audio input and outputs. Let's just click on the arrow right here. It will open up microphone array and speakers, because microphone is the input and speakers are the outputs. So let's just say I want to update the driver of my speaker. You can see Realtek audio is what is powering the speakers on this particular device. So let's click on speakers and right click on it, and you can go to properties right here. So here you have tabs like general, driver details, events, and so on. So if we go on to driver, you can see driver details. We can click on driver details. So there are no files or drivers required for this device because it is an inbuilt device. We've gone back and let's just go to firmware. So you can see there are multiple device firmware, system firmwares. We can also go to human interface device that consists of your mouse, your laptops, your touchpads, and all that will appear here. You also have an option for keyboards, also monitor. So integrated monitor for a laptop is its screen. You also have an option for network adapters. So let's just say I want to update the driver for my Bluetooth device. So click on Bluetooth device and then right click on it. Again, go to properties. We have general driver details. So the same tabs are available right here. Let's just go to driver. We can see driver details. So you also have an option to change settings right here. So you can see there's a shield around it. It means you need administrator access to it. So if it asks you for an administrator access, it means it will ask you for the password, for the admin password basically. If we go down, you again have system devices. So in system devices, it will include all the devices you are connected. So for example, I have my phone here as well and all the other devices. So I have my headphones on here as well. So let's just go to that. You can also double click, by the way, and again you can see all the details right here. Even the driver details you can see right here. Even the details, so device description, if you want, you can see it right here. If you want hardware IDs, then just say I want class guide, you can see everything right here. So it is very convenient if you really want to go deep into it. So you can also see the install date. So the exact date and the exact time to the second I can see when the driver was installed for this device. And then there is USB, so universal serial bus controllers. You have Intel and so on. So this is device manager. Also you have file right here. You can go to options. You have disk cleanup as well. So disk cleanup, I've already made a video on that. If you haven't watched it, go see it. And you have action tab as well. You have devices and printers. You can just go to your devices and printers and view. You can see, you can, if you want to see devices by type, it is currently set on that. You can see devices by connection as well. So however it is connected. Let's go to, say for example, drivers by type. So you can see that as well. So crazy amount of details on here. Let's just go back to the main type. and then you have a help menu as well. So here you have a computer with a search icon. So if you have plugged in anything and it isn't showing up, you can just scan for hardware changes right here. So yeah, that is how the device manager works, and it helps you a lot. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, drop a like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or you want to see a particular kind of video, please let us know in the comments.